Hey guys, welcome back to my yet another unboxing video, and today I'm going to unboxing DJI Mavic Air Fly Mode combo. Without further ado, let's unbox this thing. But first, intro. In front of the box, you got the Mavic Air branding. Let's see what inside the box. Inside the box you got the drone with a hard case and comes with a little carrying bag. And we also have prop guards, documentation and manual. DJI carry press, keep flying. Let's see what's in this bag. Remote controller, 2 extra battery, charging cable, charging hub. You can charge 4 battery with this charging hub. Now I'm going to charge the battery for flying. A little box, let's keep this aside for a moment. USB Type-C cable, 2 sets of propeller, and bunch of different phone adapter here. You can use this adapter with the battery as a power bank. Thumbstick जो रिमोट कंट्रोलर के नीचे है, which you have to screw it on. एंटेना जो खोल लेता हूँ और आपको साथ में और एक USB Type-C केबल मिलता है जो आप मोबाइल के साथ कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. Record button, gimbal control button and a picture taking button. Pause and play बटन, स्पोर्ट एंड नॉर्मल मोड. फर्स्ट जो आपको एक बार प्रेस करना है और उसके बाद आपको सेकेंड टाइम प्रेस करके होल्ड करना है ताकि रिमोट कंट्रोलर ऑन हो जाए. Now let's get to the drone. As you can see, it's a very little and compact drone for traveling. Now let's unfold the legs. दो जो पीछे की तरफ और बाकी दो आगे की तरफ. Now let's come to the camera. We have to open the gimbal cover. As you can see, there's a 3-axis camera. 1, 2, 3. A tiny little stand which is also works as an antenna. Let's turn on the drone. As you can see, there's a 2 downward sensor, 2 backward sensor and a front facing sensor. Here you can insert the memory card. These are the prop guards जो लगाने के बाद कुछ इस तरह से देखने को मिलेंगे आपको. buy this thing, you have to download DJI Go 4 app from Play Store and set this thing up. And that's pretty much about the drone unboxing, guys. Now let's fly this thing up in the air and keep watching. So hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, then please like, share, subscribe to my channel. If you want to ask me anything, then please comment down below. And if you want to buy DJI Mavic Air in India, then links in the description. And I will see you guys in my next video.